Hey, cleaning family. If you're running a cleaning business or managing a team, you know how crucial it is to stay organized and efficient. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to Connecteam, the all in one business management app that can completely streamline your operations. Now, whether you're just starting your cleaning business or you're already running a well established operation, having the right tools can make all the difference between struggling and thriving. And trust me, Connect Team is one of those game changing tools that you do not want to miss out on. The best part, they offer a free plan and a 14-day free trial on their premium features. And guess what? It's completely free if you have 10 or less employees. So you can test it out without any commitment. Let's dive into how Connect Team can make your life easier and your cleaning business run more smoothly. Mobile first solution. Let's start with what Connecteam actually is. It's a mobile-first employee management app designed specifically for businesses with non-desk teams, like cleaning companies. This means that no matter where your team is working, whether it's at a client's home, an office building, or a post-construction cleanup site, they can stay connected and organized through their phone. You don't have to rely on messy paperwork, constant phone calls, or back and forth texts anymore. For those just getting started, this is especially important because staying organized from day one sets the foundation for a professional, scalable business. If you've been in business for a while, Connect Team helps eliminate inefficiencies and help streamline operations. User-friendly interface. One of the biggest concerns when switching to a new software is it easy to use? And let me tell you, Connect Team's interface is super user-friendly. Whether you're an owner managing everything from your desktop or an employee using the app on their phone, the layout is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. For those that are just starting out, you don't need to be tech savvy to use this tool. It's beginner friendly, but also powerful enough for larger teams. And if you want a sneak peek on how it works, I've linked a screen recording in the description below. You can check it out and see it in action. Time clock. Never lose track of work hours. Now let's talk about one of my favorite features, time tracking. If you're just starting out, you might not realize how much time tracking really matters. But let me tell you, accurate time tracking means accurate payroll, and that means no money lost due to mistakes. With Connect Team's time clock, employees can clock in and out with a simple tap on their phone. And with GPS tracking, you can ensure they are exactly where they need to be when they do. No more worrying about buddy punching or time theft. Plus, employees can request paid time off, PTO, and submit their availability directly in the app. This is huge for scheduling and making sure that you have the right coverage. For established cleaning businesses, this feature alone saves hours of manual tracking and eliminates payroll errors. Plus, you can export data directly to payroll software like Gusto, QuickBooks, or Xero. Scheduling, no more missed shifts. If you're still making schedules manually in a notebook or Google Docs or sending text messages, let's upgrade your system. With Connect Team, you can create and share schedules in just a few clicks. Each shift can include job details, notes, and location so that your team knows exactly what's expected of them. For those that are just starting out, having a proper scheduling system in place will make you look a lot more professional and, of course, keep your team organized. And for those of you that are already running your business, it cuts down miscommunication, prevents no-shows, and saves you a ton of time, which of course is most important. No more text asking, when am I scheduled? Because everything is in one place. Forms and checklists. Get organized and stay compliant. One thing that I tell all the new cleaning business owners, documentation is key. Whether it's checklists for cleaning procedures, safety policies, or client reports, you need a way to keep everything organized and accessible. With Connect Team, you can create custom forms and checklists that employees can fill out right from their phones. They can even attach pictures to show you the completed work, great for quality control and client reporting. And if you're already running a business, this feature helps you standardize your operations, ensuring that every clean meets your company's high standards. Communication. Keep everyone on the same page. Communication is everything in the cleaning business. You don't want missed messages, misunderstandings, or employees claiming that they never got important updates. With Connecteam's built-in chat and announcement features, you can send instant updates, policy changes, or company-wide announcements all in one place. No more texting multiple people separately or using different apps to communicate. Everything is in one app, making it easier to keep everyone on the same page. Why Connecteam is perfect for cleaning businesses. Let's quickly break down why Connecteam is a must-have tool for both new and experienced cleaning business owners. All in one app. From scheduling to payroll, everything is in one place. Super easy to use. Even if you're not tech savvy, you'll love it. This is really, really easy to learn. Affordable. Completely free plan when you have 10 or more users. Saves time. Automates tedious tasks so that you can focus on growing your business. Keeps employees engaged. Communication, training, and time tracking all in one place. And that, my friends, is just the tip of the iceberg. Whether you're just starting or looking for a better way to manage your growing team, Connecteam is a total game changer for cleaning business owners. You can sign up today for their free plan or try all premium features for 14 days free. No credit card needed. Check out the link in the description of this video and let me know in the comments how Connecteam could help your business. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more cleaning business tips and educational videos. See you next time, cleaning family.